everybody. I'm going to give you an update in my dump cane, which has grown quite a bit. This is the one that I cut down and just left a couple, just 2 roots, and the bottom I just got rid of because it was so thin. Yeah, so it's doing well. I always put the leftover coffee that, you know, when you make coffee, well, I throw it in the soil. Look at how big the leaf is. This leaf is like about to open and it's huge. It's really huge. I mean, so huge. The one that came out before that was this one, which was smaller, but this one is huge. And well, I'm really happy how it looks. And you can see that it does get a bit of sun, so it takes about 1 hour sun. It loves the sun, but in winter it does not take much sun. So around, I believe, February, the sun started coming in. So from February until, I believe it's when the time changes, I believe it's November. Around November, the sun just changes position, so it stops getting much sun. So let's say about 2 to 3 months, it doesn't take much sun, but it does have enough bright light. As you can see, it's right in front of the back door. It's happy there. I only water when dry. I always have that question. I only water when dry. I do not water often. Only when I really see the soil really dry, I water it. I do not keep my soil moist. So maybe that's what it likes, because so far it's been doing so well, and I'm really happy for it. It's doing so wonderful. So my friends, it's not difficult to grow this plant, and I don't know, I've cut it, I've touched it, I've done many things with it. I know the saying is that it's toxic and etc., but the point here is responsibility. As soon as you're done with your plants, you obviously have to wash your hands with a lot of soap, if possible 3 times, and then you can touch your body, whatever, but before that, do not touch your body. I never had a problem with these plants. I've touched it with my hands, and I've been with it like maybe half an hour without washing, because I'm still dealing with plants, and nothing has happened to me. I'm just giving you a warning. That's because many people talk so bad about this plant, and I love this plant, and it's so easy to grow. I have a child. I mean, really, like, you have to be responsible. You know where to put the plant, and plus when the child is already big enough and talks, then you tell the child not to touch it, etc., or just don't have them. Anyways, so that's all my update. I just wanted to give you a short video. I don't like to make too long the videos and bore you all to death. I appreciate your patience and appreciate you all for watching my videos, and thank you so much for watching them. Subscribe if you're new. Click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you all for watching. Happy planting. Bye.